Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing BoxyCharm for, what is this month? July. Anyway, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, this is a monthly beauty box. Every package is $25, including 5 full-size items with the option of turning one of those boxes once a quarter into an upgraded what they call Boxy Luxe, which is $50. They do also offer the Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month. I've never gotten that. I can't speak to it very much, but I know that this box is totally worth it. It's just whether or not you'll use the products. The value is always over $100. It's just a really amazing box. You do also get to select one of the items, although I never get to my emails, so I'm completely surprised. Now, I did kind of peek in here this month. Couldn't help it. So I kind of know what's in here, but kind of not. Anyway, we're just going to get into it together. So this is the Fantasy box. And then on the back here, it tells our variation, which is, for me, C2107037/BA. Then they list all the items along with their retail values. We'll go over that at the end. All right, so I didn't see that before. I'm just gonna pull that out. This is from Beauty Bakery. This is their Better Not Bitter flour. This is their setting powder. So look at how cute. This is translucent. I've always wanted to try this and I've never tried it. And I just think their packaging, their products, everything about them is amazing. I just love this brand. I'm so excited to have this. This kind of makes the box for me, I'm not gonna lie. So there's that. All right. Is this what made my... All right, so I have to tell you guys, life is weird. My other box, which is a dog subscription box I unboxed, smelled like flowers, like gardenias. And I'm like, why does this box smell like this? And I'm seeing this, and I did have, see, this kind of smells. No, that's not it at all. Oh, in fact, I don't like the way that smells. It smells like a grandma. Anyway, smell like gardenias, and I don't know why the box smells like that. It's so weird. Anyway. This is from Riza Be Obsessed. They did send a leave-in conditioner that did smell like gardenias, which is why I thought it might be this. This is their Sea Spray Vacation in a bottle for all hair types. So this is a salt spray, gold-infused shield, first line of defense, helps protect luxuriously. So now, my only problem with these is that I have to condition on top. Otherwise, when I go to the beach, my hair gets frizzy. It doesn't get salty. But I don't like the smell of this. I'm going to be honest. Don't like that at all. Just being honest. All right. Next up we have, this is from Beauty Vault. This is Erupt Lip Set. I have a couple products from them. Oh, it's a lip liner and lipstick. So this is the color. Does it tell you? Natty Nat. It doesn't look like it matches, but we'll see. Kind of smells like chocolate. Ooh, that's a deep, deep red. It's a really thin liquid. Please don't break when I open. Okay. Oh, no, that looks really good. Ooh, and it just kind of doesn't drag or anything. It's very, like, goes right on. I like that. I've used other ones. I don't remember them being like that. I don't know. I like that a lot. All right, so we'll see how that dries down by the end of the video. And that's everything in the set there. Just an FYI. All right, moving along. This is from Mud Masky, who I've received so many products from in the past, like just year. I think I have like 4 or 5 of their products. This is the vitamin infused eye serum. Moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. So this is for your eyes, but I've been sent their mask, which I actually just proper used for the first time yesterday. Didn't notice a big difference, but I don't get a big difference, but I don't get really bad dark circles or anything. I am starting to notice that, like, I'm starting to get bags, and like, I'm like, oh, I don't like that at all. I think I look a little too close though. Anyway, I do use eye serums religiously now, just because I don't want to get old. I do want to get old. I just don't want to look old. See what I'm saying? There's a difference. Anyway, so these are really high value. Like, once we go over the card, they're usually valued at a lot. There is a lot in here too. This is a 1 ounce tube. All right, so the final item in my box for this month is from Pharmacy. This is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. with moringa and papaya. I actually think I might have this. I don't know. I have so much stuff. I'm recondoing my house again, which is kind of crazy, but like my house is kind of crazy. So like I need this in my life. And like I'm going through things and I'm like, wow, I have so much, and because I'm hiding it in spots, like I don't realize I have all that. All right, so anyway, let's go through the values. So the Pharmacy whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser is $28. The Beauty Bakery flour setting powder is $24. The Mud Masky eye serum is $63. Like I said, those are really high valued. The Riza Sea Spray is $20, and the Beauty Vault Erupt Lip Set, that's drying down. It's a little bit kind of patchy. You can see down here it's a little bit lighter than at the top, which is not really the best thing, but it's not bad either. It is pretty. I guess if you went, I didn't go over it a lot. I like the set. It's pretty. It's $18.50. So if you're interested in BoxyCharm, I'll link down below with my referral link. I will also link to my full review on my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.